Pushing the envelope. Mastering a key English phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, to push the envelope. Whether you're an English language learner aiming to sound more like a native or just curious about English idioms, this video is for you. Let's explore together what it means to push the envelope, where this phrase comes from, and how you can use it confidently in your conversations. To push the envelope means to test limits and extend current boundaries in any field, especially in terms of performance and innovation. When someone is pushing the envelope, they are trying to go beyond what is considered normal or safe to achieve something great. It's all about exploring new territories and breaking new ground. The phrase originated in the aviation industry during the mid-20th century. Test pilots used it to describe flights that attempted to explore the outer limits of safe flight conditions. The envelope here refers to a set of curves representing the maximum performance capability of an aircraft. Pushing beyond these limits meant venturing into untested and potentially dangerous areas to improve aircraft performance and safety. Let's see how "to push the envelope" is used in everyday English. In technology, a developer might push the envelope by creating an innovative software that changes how we use our devices. In art, an artist could be said to push the envelope by introducing a controversial topic in a new light. In personal development, someone might push their own envelope by running a marathon, despite never having been a runner before. When you want to use this phrase, think about situations that involve extending beyond usual limits. You can say, "He's always pushing the envelope with his designs," to mean someone is constantly innovating. Or, "We need to push the envelope if we want to stay ahead in the market," to express the need for groundbreaking work in business. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and usage of "to push the envelope." It's a phrase that celebrates creativity, innovation, and the courage to explore beyond conventional boundaries. Try using it in your conversations to describe those moments of extraordinary effort and groundbreaking achievement. Thanks for watching, and keep pushing your own envelopes. Remember, learning and using new phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you understand the nuances of the English language better. Happy learning!